to Easy Maths with Master Tigod, where mathematics is made simple and easy to understand. Let's learn together. Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Maths with Master Tigod. In today's lesson, we will learn how to solve linear equation with word problem. Solving word problem with linear equation. So many students struggle to turn words into equation. By the end of this lesson, you're able to solve word problem with confidence. Just stay tuned. Okay, let's note this key. These 4 keys I outline here that will help us to solve word problem easily. Now the key to solving word problem is this. Number 1, ensure you read the question carefully. Ensure you read the question carefully. Then number 2, assign a letter, usually S, for the unknown. If there's any unknown in the question that you read, assign a letter S to the word, to the unknown, or for the unknown variable that is in the question. Then later on, you translate words into a linear equation. Don't worry, you can understand this thing while we start solving examples. And number 4, you solve step by step. You solve what? Step by step. Okay, let's look at this first example here. The example say a number increased by 5 is 12. A number increased by 5 is 12. Find the number. Now, this number that is increased by 5. So, we're not giving the number. So, our first step is that we make the number or assign a letter to the number. So, we assign a letter, the letter S to that number. So, let that number or let the number be what? S. Now, they say a number, that is a number which is S now. Increase means plus, to add to. Yeah, was added to what? 5. A number increased by 5 simply means a number was added to what? 5. So we say S, which is a number, plus 5. And whenever you see is in a word problem, equally mean equal to is 12. Meaning if you add this number and 5, the result it will give to you is 12. So S plus 5 is equal to 12. Now, once you have taken the second step, the next one is for you to solve your equation. Now, if you solve your equation, you introduce minus 5 to both sides. So if you introduce minus 5 here, it will cancel this thing off. And minus 5 here will give you what? 12 minus 5 will give you what? 7. Or in that word, you can take this plus 5 to the opposite side in form of collecting like them. Now, once the 5 cross the equal sign to make the opposite number in the equal, after the equal sign, the sign changes to the negative sign, which is minus 5, which is 12 minus 5 will give us what? 7. And that is our final answer. Okay, let's look at our second example here. The second example, the question says 3 times a. 3 times a number decreased by 4 is 11. Find the number. I will take it again. 3 times a number decreased by 4 is 11. Find the number. Now I say 3 times a number. What is the number? We don't know the number. So let's start by assigning a letter to the unknown. Let the number be what? S. So 3 times a number which is S now is 3 times S. We are turning our question now to equation. Please listen carefully. 3 times a number. The number is S. So 3 times S is equal to what? 3S. Decrease. When we say decrease, it means minus. Decrease by 4 minus 4 is 11. That means it's equal to what? 11. Now we have successfully turned our word problem into an equation. The next step is for we to solve now. Are we together now? Now 3S equals our 4 will cross over to the other side because what? Positive 4. So we have 3S equals 11 plus 4. Coming down here, it will give us 3s is equal to what? 15. Now what we're looking for is s, not 3s. So we divide both sides by what? 3. Divide both sides by 3. This 3 here will cancel the 3 here. Then what do we have here? 3 and 15 will give us what? 5. And that is our final answer. Okay, let's take our third example. It said twice a number plus 7 equals 15. Twice a number plus 7 equals 15. Now here comes the question, find the number. Now, after you have read your question carefully, the next step is to assign a letter to the unknown. Twice a number. What is number? We don't know. So let the number be what? S. So twice a number means 2 times that number, which is s. So we have it here. Now we turn our question to an equation. Twice a number, that is 2 times s. Because twice means 2. 2 times s will give us what? 2s. Are we getting it? Plus 7 equals 15. Are we seeing that? So find the number. After we have successfully turned our question to an equation, so we solve 2s equals 15. When this 7 goes over the equal sign, become what? Minus 7. Remember, or you can minus 7 from both sides. Here will be 0 and here will be minus 7. So we have 2s equals 15 minus 7. 2s equals 15 minus 7 will give us what? 8. So now we're looking for s, not 2s. We have to divide both sides by what? 2. Divide both sides by 2. This 2 here, we take out this 2. So how many 2 can we say in 8? Is 4. So our answer here is what? 4. Okay, you can go ahead and try this on your own. Try this on your own. This is the question. A number divided by 3 plus 2 is 6. Find the number. Okay, thank you for staying tuned. If you understand this lesson, it means you are doing great. You are doing great and you are coming up. So please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Easy Maths with T God. And also click on that bell notification so that you can receive notification whenever we drop our new video of lesson. Thank you and see you in the next lesson.